What's up, my pungios? Andy with Andy Vlogs, doing another vlog here on the 4th of July, celebrating our independence. I've celebrating on flat on my bed because I've been sick with the sinus infection for like the last 2 days, and it got really bad today. So I didn't really make much, but I thought I would film just a little bit of how we celebrated and kind of how the county was celebrating. We're gonna go over there. I'm gonna see if I can stream it live on Facebook. So come join us. Dun 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 Mama, who knew you were a pyromaniac?
Oh, you should have seen me when I was little.
That's fun.
Stand
beside her, through the night with the light from above. Stand beside her and beside her. I don't remember the rest of the song. Shout with love. God bless America, the land I love.
Don't touch that part.
Happy 4th of July, Mama.
No.
Oh yeah, you probably noticed that there's something right there. We bought a home, and that's why we're not shooting off fireworks, because we can't afford it. So we bought a house.
We've never shot off fireworks.
And we're gonna be going into that house in like 2 weeks.
I think the last time we bought fireworks, Tono was a baby.
Me, baby.
I need to buy fireworks. Well, we found our spot right here, America. There's Nicholas, he's got the sparklers. And we're right, there's a full moon, it's wild. It's really pretty out. Just a second, we're gonna throw the drone up. America! Unbelievable. That was awesome. Nick, what'd you think about that?
I told you, they have the big guns.
What about you, Tono? Did you go run for it?
Yes.
That was great. Shenanigans. Unbelievable. That's amazing! Holy crap. Well, Pongyo's, now that's officially the end. Thank you so much for joining me. I got bugs all over me. We're gonna clean up and head out. Thanks for joining us. Andy with Andy Vlogs, signing out.